Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. In the last video, we have successfully installed Veeam Backup and Replication version 12. In this video, we will see how to add a license file and also how to connect Veeam with the VMware vSphere environment. To import the license file, click on the top left corner of the three lines menu and then click on the license icon. As you can see, we currently using free version with no license. Click on Install to browse license file, which we already downloaded. We can now take advantage of full features for the next 21 days before the license expires. Let's now continue to connect Veeam to our existing VMware vSphere environment. Under the Veeam console, select Inventory and then click on Add Server under the Virtual Infrastructure menu. Make a selection of your virtual environment, which in our case is VMware vSphere. Select vSphere or Cloud Director as per your company environment setup. Next, you need to define FQDN or IP address of your vSphere server. You can add any suitable description as per your requirements. Click on Add button and type in vSphere admin credentials to initiate connection. Click on Continue to accept certificate. If all tests pass, click on Next to continue. Once we click on Finish, our vSphere environment will import it successfully. I hope you find this quick tutorial informative. Please share your feedback and comments if you like to watch more videos on Veeam Backup and Replication. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to show your support.